How to set up variants in Shopify. Hi everybody, in today's tutorial we're going to look at how you can easily set up different variants in Shopify. So the first thing you can do is go ahead and log into your admin.shopify.com. Once you log into your shop, you can find the product section on the left side of your screen. Now to add different variants of your products, you could click on add product first, and here you can write the title. So just go ahead and write what you want to sell. Let's say it's a pair of denim pants. You could just write that. Add a description. You could also generate a text from here. So you could just add denim pants, comfortable, and keywords like this. Click on generate. It's going to automatically generate a description for your product. Let's just keep it, and as you can see, I've gotten a perfectly fine description here. Now on the media section, you can upload some pictures. So click on upload new, and you can find different pictures here. Now just go ahead and upload the picture. I don't have a picture of pants, so I'll just upload this random picture for now. Now for the pricing, you can just enter the price you want. Compare the price, so you could also do that. If you know a markdown price or a market price here, you could just compare the price also. Enter the costs per item, your profit and margin. Now to actually add variants, click on add options like size and color. So I'll just go ahead and first add a size. On the size, let's just add large. Then you could just click small, medium, extra large, depending on what you want. Let's do that in order. So let's just go ahead and continue on with small, then medium, large, then we'll do extra large. All right, so once everything is added, you can just click on done. Sizes have been added. Now you could add color, different fabric, age group, different fits, targeted gender, waist size. So all of these are recommended to add variants. You can also search for other variants here as well. All right, so let's just add this pants length type. So if it's long, you could add other options as well. Click on it. Then add, if you want to add new ones, let's just do cropped, knee, and other. All right, tap on done. You could add color. So let's just add different color sizes and color options. So let's just add black, beige, brown, clear, and then let's just tap on done. So that's how you basically add different variants on your Shopify store. Now once everything is done, tap on the save icon at the bottom right, and you should be able to add these variants to your product. That's basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful to you, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.